Fred and Vince have pulled over this SUV full of parasites. They've been taking part in censoring the one and only Stone Cold John Milton Brady's phone, 424-229-0911. Business website, visiting.net16.net for one. And business post office box, 1151, San Marcos, California, 90406. So they got all these parasites out of the SUV, and they're going through stuff. And Fred pulls out this big, really big bag of marijuana, weed. And he unzips it and kind of smells, and then he looks over at Vince and he says, yeah, he kind of nods, yeah. Then he zips that bag back up, tosses it in the SUV and says, okay guys, this is your lucky day. We're going to let you go. And they don't wait for him to change his mind. They all the parasites jump back in that SUV and speed off down that highway. And Vince looks up at this big, double whirly military helicopter right above them. And the helicopter kind of eases down the road following that SUV. And Vince says, see, Red, I told you. That's why they were following them. Is that military pit bull project. They're taking care of those censoring your access to 424-229-0911. And because you can't reach me right now, you don't know if you'll reach 911 when you need them. Be a part of positive change, guys. Pass along this video wherever you may have found it. Because chances are you sure didn't see it on Barack's censored internet. And come see me in person. Look for me. I got my imagery on me. In downtown LA. I'm the one only.